Like, what?
External force.
No, no. Cylinder is undergoing the pressure, external pressure. Due to this external pressure, the piston is being pushed downwards. So, till what point will this piston be pushed down? Until. So, what happens as you keep pushing it downwards? What happens to this?
The gas present inside will escape out, sir.
Oh, it's not good. How can it escape? It cannot escape.
What, sir?
What happens to the pressure observed inside?
More pressures will be there, sir.
Only more pressure comes inside. So P and P external, right? So here also you have P and you have outside you have P external, right? So this moment will come, this both are going to be equal. What happens when they both are equal? When they both are equal, moving of the piston. The movement of the piston will stop when both are both the pressures outside and inside are going to be equal, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
The movement of the piston will stop, and in this condition, the movement of piston stops. All right. Now, this movement of the piston can be obtained in two different ways. Now, whatever this region, so the same thing can be done in a different way. So look at the change in the volume. What is the change in the volume here?
Delta V.
Initial volume is up to. Look, this is the first scenario, V initial. Which is your V final? V final will be
Sir, P or V, sir?
V. See, this is our initial volume. Let's say this is your initial volume. Now, this is going to be your final volume. This is your volume.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Change in the volume is going to be V final minus V initial. Okay.
Sir,
What is the distance is how much distance it moved. The piston moved from here, okay, to here. Let's suppose this distance is your L. Delta V change in the volume. Or if there is a negative, what does it indicate? Negative sign. What does
Work
it
done by the
indicate?
system.
By the system.
Yes, when work is done by the system, it is negative.
So this negative sign indicates work is done by the system. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
This whole thing, it is entirely what you happens in a single step. Entire thing.
It's a irreversible process.
It is an irreversible. Now the same thing, if it takes place by multiple steps,
Reversible process.
all right. Now let's look at reversible process. Now, takes place when P is not during every step of compression, every compression process. It is known as and this also occurs in two stages. One occurring in finite steps and the other one it is infinitesimally greater. It is infinitesimally greater than the pressure of the gas. So what are the differences between the two things? In the first one, there is a step-by-step decrease. The pressure, and the pressure is greater.
More work is done, sir.
More work will be done.
Volume
So,
also reduces, sir.
so change in the pressure also reflects in the change in the volume as well. Volume.
Sir, what about temperature, sir? Okay, sir.
Temperature has to be. Anything. So in which case, the work done is going to be, this is for the finite steps, is going to be a sum of the work done, sum of the pressure into the volume, sum of all of these. Negative sign indicates work is done by the system. This is if it is changing in the number of steps, finite
Yes,
system
sir.
volume change. So you see what is you calculate. So P1, dV1. Next will be P2, VT2. So you sum all of them. That's going to give you what is the total work done when it is increasing, when it is changing in a finite number of steps. The second one is when it changes in, it is infinitesimally greater. But is infinitesimally greater. So it will be something like this. Exponentially. Okay.
Both are same now, sir.
So there, see here it is. There we saw a step-by-step decrease. in stages.
Okay, sir.
It happens in stages. But here, it is not like that. So this entire region work down.
Okay, sir.
So in this case, only work down. So this is not changing it in a step-by-step manner.